Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how to get a straight line using a string line. Very handy in all sorts of situations. Let's look at a couple of them. I'll set the string line up at the other end first and come straight back. I've already put a screw in at the other end. Now put a screw in at this end. In this case I'm setting up a clothesline and I need a straight and level line. I already know the point that I want to start from, which is this end. And I've made an educated guess at the other end that it's close to where I want it to finish up. So I've put the string line on. You can watch the video on how to tie a string line without a knot. Now I need to set up brackets at mid-points. I could use a chalk line and just flick it, but if you don't have a chalk line, the easy way is to just mark it off where you want those finishing points to be. Now it's time to check it for level. We're out in the bright sunshine at the moment. If I had a laser level, it'd be very difficult to see those points. So this is where a string line really comes in handy. It's an all-weather situation. So adjust the other end because I know this end is the end that I want to be correct and in that position. So now I just adjust the other end to make it level, and then I can mark it off wherever I want those points to be. That is perfect. Now I'm all set up to begin the installation of the clothesline. You can use this string line method in all sorts of applications. It's basically up to your imagination where you want it to be. Get straight lines for brickwork, for timber retaining walls, all sorts of building and construction ideas and situations. So a very simple, straightforward method that gives you a perfect line every time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all again very soon. Make sure you watch the video where I set out the rest of this clothesline.